This dance is called Rendaja Ötulaul, Wanderer's Evening Song, and it is a very beautiful poem by Ernest Enno, the Estonian poet, and it is about our way through life in a way. What I like especially about this dance is that the music has a lot of pauses, and the dance is made in the way that we have to respect the pauses, that we have to really pause. So it is not ongoing, but it changes. We have to pause, then it's going a little faster. And this is also in life. We have to listen, that we see the pauses and also see when it has got more swing in the life. And if we don't take the pauses, we don't respect ourselves in a way. So the steps are easy. We go forward when they are singing Ma, and then Könin with the Könin we go forward. So forward with right foot and close, forward and close, and backward and backward with the right foot beginning, and then to the right, to the side with the right foot, cross forward with the left foot, to the side with the right foot, and then sway back on the left, and then with 8 steps we turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Ma kõnnin hallil lõpmata teel, kesknurmi täis valmivat vilja. Ma kõnnin ja kõnnin otsata teel, ju lapsena teesid armastas meel. Teed laulavad õhtu hilja, kuis on need teed nii kõvad kui keed, need otsata kutsuvad jooned. Ma kõnnin ja kõnnin, teed kõvad kui keed, nii hallid ja tolmused kõik need teed, need rändaja eluhooned. Ju lapsena teesid armastas meel, ju lapsena kuulda tee juttu, ju lapsena kõndi armastas meel, oma laulu laulda hallil teel, kui polekski ilmas ruttu. Laulab lõpmata, meel igatseb tolmuta randa. Tund hiline tee on kõva kui kee, mind hoiab kui mõrs jääks enesele, ei siiski saab ärale kanda. Ma kõnnin hallil lõpmata teel, kesknurmi täis valmivat vilja. Ma kõnnin ja kõnnin otsata teel, kui teede laulude helisev meel. Ja kõik on nii õhtu